William Bill Smith from Australia and Mr. Chatters Masmi from Thailand. Welcome, sirs. Minute of silence in memory of Mr. Sudesh Kothari, GST.
All caravan hound exhibitors, please report to waiting ring number 2. I repeat, all caravan hound exhibitors, please report to waiting ring
number 1.
एक भी नहीं रहा तुमको कुत्ता
5 and 6, please come to waiting ring number 1. Peppa.
Puppy dog number 6.
Mark your presence at ring number 2 immediately.
German Shepherd, double coat, junior dogs, number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Please.
Ring number 8.
Number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Please come to waiting ring number 1. German Shepherd, exhibit numbers 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Last call, please come to ring number 1. Exhibit numbers 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. चलो भाई पप्पी लाइन अप बेस्ट ऑफ फर्स्ट और सेकंड बेस्ट ऑफ
Day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you. All dreams they come true. Stay down till the end. Need me, I need them. Whole team gon' make ends. No time for fake friends. Too many people be calling my phone, but I never be picking it up. Got everyone that I need in my circle. I never be going and switching it up. Rocking with the people who been following me when I never thought it would've happened and I never got love. Now they wanna piggyback on everything I got. I never knew I'm from the bottom, but now I've had enough. Please stay away. Find a new hobby, cause you've been too close to my personal space. Don't make me call out your names, but I'll go there and you gonna make me put you in your place. I'm trying to put my whole crew in a wraith. Came a long way from that minimum wage. Funny how money be bringing out people who never remember the time that they paid. Count it up on my two hands. If you wanna talk, I need two bands. I don't play around with no loose ends, and I never wanted no new friends. I keep it real, you can ask the fans. Don't get involved if you're not my fan, but if you were willing to sacrifice when I roll the dice, then I'm counting you in. Same ones, day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you. All dreams they come true. Stay down till the end. Need me, I need them. Whole team gon' make ends. No time for fake friends. Ain't about money, it's about being loyal. Cause when I had nothing, they stayed on my soil. The grass might be greener on the other side, but not for the ones who left me out to dry. I can forget, but I never forget. Money is power, but can't buy respect. If you've been focused on credit or debit, then I'ma pay you a reality check. Some of the richest be feeling depressed. Material shit don't compare to the rest. I move around with my real ones, making memories worth millions. Goddamn, part of the plan. Do what I do and I do it for them. 7 a.m. and I'm going to bed. I can't let the competition get ahead. I've been going like I never gotta run. I wanna stop it. I've been thinking about the people who be talking about they love it, and I know I gotta keep on winning. Never gonna give it to the negative energy, cause I gotta go and get it for the same ones, day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you. All dreams they come true. Stay down till the end. Need me, I need them. Whole team gon' make ends. No time for fake friends.